Thank you so much and congratulations. Of course, Vance Larena.
Yun, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Vance Larena. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta po at pagbibigay ng pagmamahal para po sa pelikula namin, My Future You. Sana po sabay-sabay po natin ulit panoorin na darating na December 25 at maimbitahan po natin mas maraming tao na manood ng pelikula ito. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much and congratulations, guys. Maraming salamat and we are so excited na makita kayo sa film na ito.
Thank you. And of course, let's welcome on stage this generation's next love team. Let's give it up for Francine Diaz and Seth Federline.
Makinay for Francine! Ayan, Francine, please let's greet our friends here tonight.
Hello po everyone! Alam ko po lahat naghahanap ngayon ng seats nila. Pero gusto ko lang po ulitin ang pasasalamat namin kanina. Salamat po sa presensya nyo ngayong gabi. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin sa inyong lahat. Sana po ma-enjoy nyo ang My Future You ngayon. Yun na po, and Merry Christmas ulit!
Yun po, maraming salamat sa pagpunta para supportan ko dito ng Francine. Di namin kayo makakalimutan, kung ano experience na meron tayo sa ngayong gabi. And papalapit na December 25, mas marami pong makakanood. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Let's give it up for Francine. Kaya naman sama-sama tayong magmahal from zero and beyond. Thank you.
Ayan, picture photo op lang with Francine. And
also, let's give it up for syempre ating director, Direk Crisanto Aquino. We also have here Mosang, Vance Larena, Mr. Christian Vasquez, and Miss Aquino. And the song that you're hearing on the background is written and sang by Eliza Maturan. It's called Museo or Museo. You can now stream it on all streaming platforms, Spotify, Apple, whichever streaming platform you're using. Again, it's called Museo.
And balita ko, Nikki, merong sariling version ng Francine ng museo na mapakinggan nila malapit na, so please stay tuned.
That's true. And again, My Future You will be officially showing in cinemas nationwide starting December 25, 2024, and this is an official entry to the 50th Metro Manila Film Festival and rated
G by the MTRCB. Congratulations! Kaya naman once again, palakpakan natin ang bumubuo ng My Future You. Congratulations in advance. And now, are you ready po to see the film?
Yeah.
We are all